Hey y'all, today we are doing a super exciting video. I know I've been saying that a lot, but this is the NYX Modern Dreamer Palette. And if you guys have watched my channel, then you know that I have really struggled with a lot of NYX shadow palettes. Their eyeshadows and I just don't agree very much. I don't think they're worth the money. Now, this one I feel very differently about. I do this super easy, almost monochromatic look today, but I wanted you guys to see how well these work, how they blend, how pigmented they are. I'm honestly so happy that this is a great palette. This is $35 for 40 shades. I got mine at Ulta. Of course, they have it on NYX.com. I'm not sure about like in CVS stores or Walmart. I'm not sure. But I know they do have it at Ulta and they run sales all the time. But even for the $35, this is totally worth it, you guys. I'm so happy I have finally found a NYX palette that I love. This one is great quality. I thoroughly enjoy it. So if you guys want to see how to get this super easy look, then don't forget to subscribe, click that bell, and let's get into it. All right, I know my hair is looking crazy, I get it, but I got ready really quickly and I couldn't wait to do a tutorial and review with this palette, you guys. Like, it's that good. And you know, I have not had the best luck with NYX shadow palettes. I just haven't. But this one I have used several times and it's beautiful. It's great. Like, it's pigmented. The shimmers are good. Some of them are boom in your face metallics. But the mattes in here are great. Like, great. So you guys watch and see this shade. And this is a hard shade to do. So put your seatbelts on because this is crazy. So I wanted to show you guys just a really quick look. I had already put on falsies, all that, but I can do this look right over top. So, excuse me, just burped, but just think of it like almost day to night look. Look, I don't know why I'm doing this again. Okay. I'm just that excited, you guys. I have been waiting for a NYX palette that I love, and this is finally it. So like I said, I have a little bit of like a pencil liner on and my falsies are already on. Everything's done. So I have a Morphe M573 and we are going in with this shade right here, and we are going to grab it and pretty well put it all over. That's our main shade today. Now you guys, like I said, this is a hard shade. Watch this. And I'm not even packing, I'm swiping. And that is the color payoff. Like, NYX, you finally impressed me. Like, holy cow. You don't even have to build it up that much. Like, it's just good, you guys. It's so good. So I'm just going to lightly blend that up into my crease. I'm not going to bring it too far where this is such a bright shade. I don't want to bring it too far here. But when I seen this palette, this was one of the first shades that I was just like, I need to try that palette. Like, it looks so good. Like, I honestly can't believe how good it is. How pigmented it is, and it's just like bam, in your face, full on pigment. And I have not cut any of this out. That's it. So easy to blend. I'm going to grab a Sigma E40 and go in with the white shade right here. And just ever so gently run that kind of up to the brow bone and blend out this green a little bit more. Now I'm taking this shade, and it was a little bluer than I wanted, so I went in with this green and then a little bit of this over top just to brighten it up a little bit more. So I'm using my finger for all of that, and I'm just putting that right in the center of the lid, and you can see it is just pigmented and beautiful. I kind of wanted like a monochromatic look today, so now I'm going to put that green right over top and then that silvery kind of color. Like, it's just that pretty. Man, I hope I wasn't covering my face. It's just so pretty, you guys. Like, it's beautiful. And then on this side, I had kind of left it like that at first, but I want to go in with a little bit more just to give it some depth and dimension. So I grabbed this color down here. And like I said, these are pigmented. So I just kind of gently started to put this on the outer corner and then blended it up and in. Like, are these shades not just blowing your mind? Because they did me, you guys, honestly. You know, I have tried so many NYX palettes, and for the price, you're just like, I can do better. I can do better. This one, you get 40 shades, and every shade that I have used in here, I've loved. I've not been disappointed. I honestly do love this palette. This is the first NYX palette that I'm just like, yes, so good. So I am not going to wait and do a more intricate look. I want you guys to know that this is finally a palette that I can stand behind from NYX. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that darker shade and run it along our lower lash line. Just about halfway to 3/4 in. And then I'm going to grab a little bit of the white shade and just run it right under. But I think this looks so good with my kind of sundress and minimal makeup. Like, the face pretty well has nothing on it but Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue and concealer. I did the brows. Let me throw on a lippy. We're going to be right back. So I pretty well just put gloss on, but we're doing a yard sale and it's hotter than balls outside. It is a good 95 with 100% humidity. So that's why I kind of had on sunscreen, minimal makeup, but I had to get this out for you guys because I'm telling you, this is no joke, the first NYX palette that I have been excited about that is so good. I want to let you guys know how good it is. So this is our look. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy, super quick look. I wanted you to see how pigmented some of these shades are. And I've had a couple that have stained just a smidge, but not bad at all. So I love this palette. I highly recommend. $35 for 40 shades. Yes, and they're on sale all the time at Ulta. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review and really quick tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.